Well, this is a nutter shot.
A what?
A nutter shot.
Sounds like it's gonna hurt.
Half an ounce of Shanky's Whip. Half an ounce of Frangelico.
This is gonna be good.
Half an ounce of Bailey's Irish Cream.
I think you might love me a little bit.
I try and think about you when I make these recipes.
Sometimes you think the wrong thing.
That's fair.
Okay. Smells like coffee.
All right, cheers to a nutter shot.
Cheers. I did. I enjoyed it. How did that come out like coffee?
When we were playing around with the Shanky's Whip, you said it kind of tasted like coffee.
Had a coffee back taste to it, yeah.
I like it.
It's good.